Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you the Tusk Tinted LED Tail Lights for the Polaris RZR Pro R, the Turbo R, and the Pro XP. This is a simple, easy, affordable way. Just add a little bit of style to the back of your side-by-side. We just love the blacked out look of these. And what's cool about these taillights also is that you can wire these up to also be your turn signals if you plan to add a horn and signal kit, or if you already have a horn and signal kit installed, you just add these tail lights. And what's nice is that it's the same electrical connection as your OEM tail lights, direct plug and play, very easy to get these installed. And then you can just simply wire these up to also be your blinkers. They utilize very little power when you're hitting the brakes, but again, for the Pro R, the Pro XP, the Turbo R, if you're looking just add a little bit of style to the back of your machine and some functionality with the blinkers, these are an awesome setup. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered. So make sure to leave those down below. And a great addition to go along with these is in the front of this machine, we also have the front center accent light with turn signals as well. So it's a replacement for your accent light in the front that has amber lights that you can use for your blinkers up front. So again, if you have questions, comments, leave those down below. To grab one for your machine is simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Now we offer these for other Polaris side-by-sides as well. So just make sure to enter the year, make, and model of the machine that you have, and that will ensure that you get the proper fitment. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks, and to stay up to date on videos and product spotlights like this for your side-by-side, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, you'll be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.